right there. I got these on sale after Halloween. Looks like these, there's sort of two shapes. So I've paired them up like that. And these, I don't think there's any up or down. Now I can put wire tape inside these loops. We'll do that with the other ones. I turned under the end of the tape and stuck it to the board just for a moment. This one over here. This one over here. The tape did not go on neatly. Okay, I got a little sloppy with these, but they're just for jokes. Okay, so here's the logo log. What do you think? Maybe that eye over a little bit more. There we go. Let's get a shot from... Yeah, he put it behind the post, so it doesn't really work. Got the other two ready to go. There's one. There's one more. This is under the porch.